Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna style Asuna wig from Sword Art Online. Asuna tends to have a hairstyle that originally came with a braid. However, Asuna's braid is quite thick and I wasn't too happy with how it looked, so I decided to restyle it. But before that, I crimped the entire wig to add more volume. This step is optional though, but I personally prefer to crimp long wigs. It helps adding more volume to the wig and also prevents tangling. Just follow this crimping method so there won't be any leftover crimp marks. Also set the crimping iron to 160 degrees. And done! See, it have more volume now. One of the reasons I didn't crimp the bangs on purpose because I want them to look natural and not too puffy. I clip the back part of the wig to make it easier to section the bangs and also clip the bangs like this because I want to create a fake hairline. After that, I section and trim this part. The trim pieces will be used to make the fake hairline, so I divided this section into 3 parts. Then glue them on the center. The left side. And the right side. I think this fake hairline part is a bit long, so I trim it down a bit. Next, I styled the remaining bangs layer by layer. By following a reference image, I trimmed them and then use a flat iron. Since a lot of the bang sections are short, I use a mini hair straightener and set the temperature to 160 degrees also. For the braided part, you guys could section it like this. Oh, and don't forget to crimp it. If you don't have a crimping iron, you can use a tissue instead. As you can see here, the braid is a bit loose. To keep it in place, I took a small section from the top of the wig, I trimmed it to this length, and then tied it together with the braid. And I made a clip-on for the braid so it can be movable. I take a mini clip and cover it with wig wefts using super glue. If you don't have wig wefts, you can use some hidden parts from the inside of the wig like this. Ta-da! Here's an Asuna wig that looks 99% accurate to the anime. You're definitely gonna look awesome wearing a styled wig like this. Thanks for watching! I hope this tutorial helped. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really motivates me to share more styling tutorials. See you on next video. Bye!